Guys, are you ready to learn about the journey to becoming an AI engineer? Let's dive into the roadmap for AI engineers and explore the essential steps to kickstart your career in this exciting phase. Number 1. Familiarize yourself with the basic of AI. What is AI? How it works? Explore the future of AI technology. Learn into Python programming. Learn basic to advanced in Python programming. Start with variables, data types to object-oriented concept. Learn about the Python popular framework like TensorFlow, PyTorch and more. Third, learn about statistics and probability. Dive into topics like linear algebra, fundamentals, differentiation and probability basic distribution. Expand your knowledge by learning about SQL, big data, Hadoop and more. Then learn about the concept of data science and data manipulation. Explore the world of machine learning covering everything for data processing and model building to ML operation and valuation. More about the machine learning model types and understanding the concept of machine learning. Take the next step with deep learning. Learn about neural networks, natural language processing, text presentation and classification. Lastly, learn about the version control tools like Git, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket to round off your skill set. Get ready to take the AI world. Stay tuned for more insight into the roles and responsibility of an AI engineer. Thank you. See you our upcoming session for machine learning. How would I start to learn about machine learning in briefly? Thank you and have a nice day. If you are into tech and want to stay ahead of the game, then you have got to subscribe and like to the Sairaj Tech Cloud YouTube channel. Don't miss out on the latest tech trends and tips. Hit that subscribe button now and join the tech community at Sairaj Tech Cloud.